Hello, tech enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in. Get ready as we uncover another amazing innovation together. Ever dreamt of bringing your designs, blueprints, or vibrant posters to life? Today, we're diving deep into a printer that truly shatters expectations. The new CES Imaging Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 36-inch color inkjet printer, bundled with 36-inch bond paper. This isn't just a printer, it's a complete creative powerhouse. First up, what makes this bundle an absolute game-changer? It's a true turnkey solution. Imagine unboxing your professional printer and not immediately scrambling for ink, a printhead, or even paper. CES Imaging has thought of everything. This package arrives with all the ink you need, the essential printhead, and a 36-inch roll of high-quality CES Imaging bond paper. For you, zero frustration, zero hidden costs, and immediate productivity. You can go from unboxing to printing your first stunning large-format graphic or precise CAD drawing in record time. No more waiting, no more compatibility headaches. It's designed for seamless setup, letting you focus on creativity, not logistics. A massive win for busy professionals. But the thoughtful design doesn't stop there. Let's talk practicality and workflow. Many large-format printers require a separate stand. Not with the TM-340. It comes complete with its own integrated stand and basket. This makes a monumental difference. The stand positions the printer at an ergonomic height, reducing strain during loading and unloading. And that basket? A lifesaver. No more prints tumbling onto the floor, getting creased or damaged. Your finished posters or architectural renders are neatly collected, protected, and ready for presentation. This ensures work integrity and optimizes your workspace for maximum efficiency. A professional setup right out of the box. Now, let's talk about the brain of this operation, the 4.3-inch adjustable user interface screen. Forget squinting at tiny buttons or navigating confusing menus. This vibrant, intuitive touchscreen puts control firmly at your fingertips. Its adjustable nature means optimal viewing, whether standing or seated. This is huge for accessibility and user comfort, especially in collaborative environments. You can quickly check print status, change settings, and manage jobs with unprecedented ease. It streamlines your workflow, minimizes errors, and makes operating this sophisticated machine feel as simple as using your smartphone. This user experience truly elevates the TM-340 from hardware to an intelligent partner. And for those who demand speed, the TM-340 delivers with approximately 2.7 pages per minute. For large format, that's seriously impressive. Imagine hitting print on a crucial presentation or drawings and having them ready almost instantly. This efficiency means you can meet tight deadlines and keep projects moving without frustrating delays. Plus, knowing CES Imaging is a Canon Platinum reseller adds another layer of confidence. This means the highest level of expertise, support, and direct access to genuine Canon products. You're investing in reliability and peace of mind, with expert support every step of the way. So what does all this add up to? The CES Imaging Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 isn't just a printer, it's a statement. A commitment to efficiency, quality, and user-centric design. From its seamless turnkey setup and integrated stand to its intuitive interface and impressive speed, backed by a Canon Platinum reseller, this machine empowers your creativity and streamlines your professional workflow. Stop dreaming and start printing. If you're ready to elevate your large-format printing experience and unlock new possibilities, this is the printer for you. Get a solution that truly works. Ready to take your projects to the next level? Find all the details and purchase options for the CES Imaging Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 bundle now. The link is in the description below. Go check it out and transform the way you create. You won't regret it.